Hey guys, it's Kashif and welcome back to the Test Prep Pundits SAT Bootcamp. Last time we solved this question here involving Tyra and her incredibly cheap gaming service, and I asked you to solve this question here. Let's go through this question. The boiling point of water at sea level is 212 degrees Fahrenheit. For every increase of 1,000 feet above sea level, the boiling point of water drops approximately 1.84 degrees Fahrenheit. Which of the following equations gives the approximate boiling point B in degrees Fahrenheit at h feet above sea level? Now, the question states that the boiling point of water at sea level is 212 degrees. This is the initial point, meaning the y-intercept is 212. The question also states that for every increase of 1,000 feet above sea level, the boiling point drops 1.84 degrees Fahrenheit. This is a decrease, so the slope is going to be negative, and they've given us a value of 1.84 degrees Fahrenheit. A lot of people seeing this probably put the answer is A, B is equals to 212 minus 1.84 h. But they've told us that for every increase of 1,000 feet, the boiling point drops 1.84 degrees Fahrenheit. We need the drop in the boiling point of water for an increase of 1 foot. Let's find that. 1,000 is to 1.84 as is 1 is to x. We're going to do the same thing we did in the ratios and proportions problems, and we're going to represent this as a division. 1,000 by 184 times 100 is equal to 1 by x. We're going to take the reciprocal on both sides. 184 divided by 100,000 is equal to x. This is 0.00184, which means for every increase of 1 foot above sea level, the boiling point of water drops by 0.00184 degrees Fahrenheit. This is the slope, and we already know the y-intercept is 212. So the equation we need is going to look something like this. B is equal to minus 0.00184 h, since the slope is negative since it's a decrease, plus 212, which is the y-intercept. Let's take a look at the options. And B is the same equation we got here, which means the answer to this question is going to be option B. Try and solve this question right here, and I'm going to show you how to do it next.